To check word count limits per source in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once inside your notebook, navigate to the Sources panel where all uploaded materials such as PDFs, Google Docs, and other files are displayed. Select the source you want to evaluate. You may see basic file information such as the document type or upload status, but NotebookLM does not provide a built-in word count dashboard for uploaded sources. This means you will not see exact word counts directly inside the platform. Instead, you need to verify word count externally using the original file. If your source is a Google Doc, you can open it and use the Tools menu to check word count. If it is a Word document or Pages file, use its built-in statistics. For PDFs, you may need to copy the text into a word counter tool or convert it into a text-editable format to estimate word count. It is also important to consider file size, since NotebookLM supports sources up to 500,000 words per file or 200 megabytes in size. These limits determine how large a single source can be before it may need to be split or optimized. If your file is close to or exceeds these limits, it is best to divide it into smaller sections. This improves processing stability and helps NotebookLM retrieve information more accurately during chat interactions. Large, dense documents can sometimes reduce clarity in AI responses, so breaking them into focused, topic-specific sources is recommended. This also makes it easier to control which parts of the material are being used during analysis. By managing both word count and file size externally, you ensure that your sources remain within NotebookLM-supported limits and perform efficiently during summarization and Q&A tasks. And that's how you check word count limits per source in NotebookLM, verify content externally, stay within the 500,000 word or 200 megabytes limit, and structure large files into smaller, focused sources for better performance.